What's up guys, welcome to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to remodel your own bathroom without paying anyone. So watch all the way to the end. To start, we have to remove that valve and first turn off the water to the building, and then you remove the shower and then remove all the bathtub. So it's very easy. There's a cover, just take the cover off, all the screw off. So they put the glue behind that, so and couple of screw I'm showing in the video. And when you take that one off, this is the valve. You have to cut it. You can cut it from back, but we're gonna take everything off. Why we cut it from back? So you see in the back there's a filter, so you can have access in the back too if you need to, but I'm gonna take everything off. First I'm gonna destroy the drywall above so I can see all the piping and everything in the back. Okay, so but you have to be careful, don't use the hammer crazy. So make one hole and start seeing. So now I can see all the piping, so you don't want to cut the pipe. So and the edge of the ceiling you cut it with the what you call utility knife, so you have a nice edge. So this is all the drywall. I took it off, and on this edge, because I'm gonna have a straight cut, so I use the utility knife so I don't destroy the drywall on the side, so I have to do it again. To cut the bathtub, so I use the saw to cut the bathtub and use the metal blade, but don't go crazy, don't have a long blade because you may cut something in the back, and go very slow. If something is stuck, don't push it. So unlike me, I cut it and I grab it to see in the back if it's nothing, and again I'm gonna cut it. So for that I have to cut the 3 piece, so you're gonna know by yourself. So just piece by piece, so you can take it off. Divide it by 3-4 piece and start taking it off. It's very easy, just take your time, don't rush it. And now is the time to take the bathtub off. So there is some screw around. I took all the screw and nails and I cut the bathtub in the half, and this is the other half. So very simple. Then we move to all the piping. So you see all the galvanized pipe, I'm gonna get rid of it and run the PEX pipe. So for the PEX pipe, I did with the shark pipe. I'm gonna show you in the front. So to do that, I'm gonna go to the attic upstairs and cut it from the attic so I don't miss anything. There you go. I cut it here and I replace it with the shark pipe. This is the shark pipe and PEX. So you have to remove this valve first. There's the tools they sell it to remove the drain, and this is a new drain. I'm gonna put the link in description, all the tools we use, so you can check it out and buy it. So this is the adjustable drain for the bathtub. First, it's good because it's adjustable, you can adjust it, believe me, you need it. And second, made with the copper, so it's a good material, it's not gonna break. I use some Teflon liquid on the connection, so you have to use that. So you have to make sure this is level. So you see that one side is a little more up, so we have to take it off and adjust it again. So I use this foam, is called foam for the window. So don't use the regular foam. Make sure it has a picture of the window. I'm gonna put the link in description, so you don't want to expand too much. After I put everything back done, so we're gonna install everything. You see everything is level. But very important to make sure it's level, because you don't want the water to stand somewhere. And we use the putty here to seal the bottom. You can choose the silicone, but we use the putty for here. But we make a mistake here when we have to take the drain off again. Do not make our mistake. So you see there's a plastic bag covering the bathtub. So this plastic bag is all the way going to you see the drain. So it's a tiny plastic bag on the drain. You have to remove that, because if you don't remove it, yes, you're gonna have a leak in future, trust me. So it's happened to me before, and we have to redo all this again. So this time I came back and I said, oh my god, we forgot to remove this plastic bag. You see, this is very tiny, so you make sure you remove the plastic bag. All of them, they have a plastic bag, okay? And then, so now we have to adjust it again, so do it one time, don't make a mistake. Alright, we put the putty again, and this time it's good to go. 100% is not gonna leak. So, and we tied it with the hand as you can, and use one screwdriver to tighten it more. So, and then we're gonna put everything in the place. So make sure don't tie it too much, because it's gonna break under it. So tie it with the pressure of your hand. So we use the screw. There is a special screw. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So we use that to connect the bathtub to the stud to make sure it doesn't move. Also, we'll remove the tile in the floor. There you go. So I'm gonna make another video to show you how to tile it and how to put the hardy backer. So this is a part of the video. I'm gonna show you at the end how it look like. All right, just watch it. So you're gonna get the idea how it's gonna be the process. But the detail, I'm gonna make another video. So from now, because I don't want the video be too long, you know what I mean. There you go. This is the result. Very beautiful, very nice. I like it. So as you know, we do Airbnb on this property. We're fixing the home. We put on the Airbnb. If you want to learn how to fix your home and list it on the Airbnb, so make sure subscribe to the channel and share it with the people. Have a great day.